How to collect reviews with QR codes. QR codes offer a seamless, engaging and effective way to gather customer feedback. This method not only enhances the customer experience, but also provides businesses with valuable insights that can drive improvement and growth. By leveraging the convenience and modern appeal of QR codes, businesses can significantly boost their review collection efforts and online reputation. What are QR codes? QR codes are easily scannable with smartphones and can be set up to redirect your customers to your business's review platforms in just a few seconds. This is one of the best ways for your business to collect reviews offline quickly and easily. Just set up your code, print it out, and place it in your place of business. After a customer has made a successful in-store purchase or had a service done by your business, they can scan the code with their phone and have them directed to leave you a review about their experience. No more lost reviews. Why should you collect reviews with QR codes? Collecting reviews with QR codes is a game changer for your business. Here's why. Super easy for customers. QR codes make leaving a review quick and hassle-free. Just scan and go. More reviews. The simplicity means more people will leave feedback and you will get it while their experience is fresh. Better customer experience. It's interactive and modern, showing customers you are tech-savvy and proactive. Cost-effective. QR codes are free to make with TrustIndex and can be added to anything. Flyers, receipts, you name it. Trackable. You can see how many people scan the code and leave reviews in your TrustIndex account, helping you fine-tune your strategy. Boosts online presence. More reviews mean better search rankings and increased trust from potential customers. Flexible. QR codes fit any branding and can be easily updated from your TrustIndex account without reprinting. How to collect reviews with QR codes. Let's look at how you can set up your own review collecting QR code in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. After logging in, go to Get Reviews and then QR code menu and click Add to start setting up your own code. There are only 2 things you need: a name for your code and the URL it should direct to. Ensure the QR code is linked to the page where you want customers to leave their reviews. This is usually the review summary page or a direct review collection page such as Google, Facebook, or any other platform you collect feedback on. Step 2. After saving, you're immediately able to access your unique QR code. You can make further adjustments to your code or save it right away in the format that best suits you. For online usage, we recommend choosing the PNG or the SVG formats under the QR code tab, and for offline usage, choose the PDF format under the card tab. Step 3. Print out your unique code and place it in your business locations wherever your customers can see it best. Consider high traffic areas within your store like checkout counters, near entrances or exits, or your packaging, or at the end of an online transaction. After a successful purchase, ask satisfied customers to scan the QR code with their phone and write their opinions about your business after the automatic redirection. It's that easy. By following these steps, you can effectively use QR codes by TrustIndex to collect valuable reviews from your customers, enhancing your online reputation and gaining insights to improve your business. If you would like to get to know more about TrustIndex's other features, then sign up for our free 20-minute workshop where our expert will show you why Google reviews are important for your business success, how to rank higher on Google Maps and search results with the help of reviews, how to manage your online reputation with the TrustIndex system, modern automatic solutions for review management, and how to collect 15+ new reviews every day. Book your workshop appointment on the dashboard of your TrustIndex account.